Sige. Alphabet. Ano to?
Bush.
A is for? Ape. B is for?
Bush.
Ball. Anak, ano to? B is for?
Dada.
Ano to? Ball. C is for? Ito. Uy, wala naglag anak si Ading. C is for? Ading. C is for? Ading. C is for? Ay, ayaw naman. Ito. Car. D is for? D is for? Door. Very good. E is for? Elephant. F is for? Very good naman yung baby na yan. G is for? What's this? G? Giraffe. H is for? Ang diba? Horse. I is for? What's this? Eyes. J is for? Juice. K is for? Kite. L is for? Ano to? Lemon. M is for? Monkey. N is for? What's this I see? Alam mo to? What's this? Notebook. Wait! Kulit mo naman. Ano ba yun? Ano to? Kite. Nakita mo ba to? Nagpunta tayo sa bukid? Opo, kite. Opo. Oh, what's this? O is for? No. Onion. P is for? Pear. Q is for? Kill at queen. R is for? Rose. S is for? Sheep. T is for? Tiger. U is for? Unicorn. V is for? Ano yung viva, anak? Ano yung viva? Sige. W is for? Watermelon. X is for? X-ray. Y is for? Yeah. Z is for? Zoo. Yeah. Sa video.